Thank you to our American customer for purchasing our EA640F2 LED display product. We are delighted to provide you with high-quality display solutions. EA640F2 LED display screen stands out for its excellent visual effects and advanced design, and is highly favored by customers. Each component of this LED display screen, including the LED module, power supply, and receiver card, adopts a front maintenance design. The pre-maintenance design not only makes installation and disassembly more convenient, but also greatly facilitates daily maintenance and repair work, ensuring that the screen always remains in the best condition. Thank you again to our American customers for their trust and support in our products.